Okay, so I'm gonna ask you some algebraic formula, like equation formula. Is that okay?
Yeah.
A plus B square equal
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A minus B square equal
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
A square minus B square equal.
A plus b multiplied by a minus b.
Okay. How about A plus B plus C square equal?
A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c.
Okay. How about A plus B minus C square?
A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2c.
Okay, great job. How about A minus B minus C square equal?
A square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2c.
Great job. Awesome. Let's answer some trigonometry question. Okay. Sine theta. Sine theta equal. Okay. Let's say. Come stand here. Let's say this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, where is the opposite side? Opposite side. And this is the.
Yeah, this is side.
And what is that?
Super
This is a.
This is a
What is that? Adjacent side, opposite side, and this is
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So sine theta equal.
Opposite side divided by.
यहाँ बैठो बताओ साइन थीटा इक्वल करो साइन थीटा देखो साइन थीटा गेट डाउन बेटा डोंट प्ले ना जस्ट फिनिश करो उसके बाद देन यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक ओके जस्ट फिनिश करो इसको यहाँ लिखो साइन थीटा का फॉर्मूला साइन थीटा इक्वल देखो
Opposite side.
नो फर्स्ट यू राइट साइन थीटा ना साइन थीटा equal opposite side divided by
Hypotenuse.
how about cos theta equal
Adjacent side.
cos theta equal
Try again.
no write down na beta cos theta so cos theta equal what is that
Divided by hypotenuse.
what is this is
Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse.
how about tan theta tan theta beta
Sine.
tan theta equal what is that tan theta equal
Opposite side divided by adjacent side.
opposite side divided by adjacent side equal also equal to
Sine theta divided by cos theta.
sin theta divided by cos theta great job sin theta divided by
Cos theta.
cos theta okay sit down
Can
okay
we sit
how
on
about
this?
can you do the inverse relationship cot theta equal
1 by tan theta.
cosec theta equal
Sine theta.
sec theta equal
1 by cos theta.
how about Pythagorean identities
Agar jab Pythagoras identity side square. Theta plus cos square theta equal 1. 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta cosec square theta.
okay good job but you need to slow down you need abhi करेंगे रुको you need to slow down do you understand
Yes.
okay now let me see what else can we do okay you did this good job okay can you write down Fibonacci sequences what is Fibonacci sequences
Also called Pigla.
also called Pigla what is Pigla
2 plus 1 equals 1.
hmm?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Huh?
1 plus 2 equals 3.
Hmm?
2 plus 3
No.
equals 5.
1 plus 2 equal 3 then
2 plus 3 plus 2 equals 5.
huh?
3 plus 5 equals 8.
Hmm?
5 plus 8 equals 30.
Hmm?
8 plus 13 equals 21.
Hmm?
21 plus 13 equals 31. 4.
34 good job that's called
Pingala.
and in English it's called
Fibonacci sequences.
Fibonacci sequences okay great job
ये लगाया?
हाँ भी pick करना एक one more question I had okay let's say this okay this is a very interesting question if there are 4 objects let's say there is an apple banana and and then we have oranges and then we have watermelon how many
Factorial.
how many ways you can rearrange
Or factorial. Or
can you write down 4 factorial कैसे करेंगे 4
factorial
equal
4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals 24.
24. Okay, good job.